My name is Alberto Fernández Alvarado, and my topic is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. A mixture is a material system made up of two or more different substances, which are mixed but are not combined chemically. A mixture refers to a physical combination of two or more substances in which the identities are retained and are mixed in the form of solutions, suspensions, and colloids. Homogeneous mixture is a solid, liquid, or gaseous mixture that has the same proportion of its components throughout a given sample. It is not uniform in composition, but proportion of its components vary throughout the sample. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture having a non-uniform composition. The composition varies from one region to another, with a latest two phases that remain separate from each other with clearly identifiable properties. If you examine a sample of heterogeneous mixture, you can see the separate components. Every day, life we see many examples of heterogeneous mixtures. One of them is the coffee. The coffee is composed of grains of coffee, water, milk, and sugar, but you may notice that none of these elements is seen, so that a heterogeneous mixture. Also, every day we see examples of heterogeneous mixtures, like this combination of chocolates of different colors that make us differentiate them. If they can see, each color helps to distinguish each chocolate or to be able to know its flavor. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures are used in many things, as scientists use them to make chemicals, moms use them when cooking, and children when it comes to playing. These are put into practice every moment of the day, and is something that people do unconsciously. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures is this fruit cocktail that we see that has strawberry, grape, melon, pineapple, and blueberry. The pizza that carries cheese, olives, chili morron, tomato, and mushrooms. The salad with croutons, parmesan cheese, and salad. This market has a wide variety of vegetables, such as pumpkin, carrots, tomato, potato, lettuce, cabbage, corn, and fruits like mango and orange. This soup that has corn, carrot, and spinach. Some examples of heterogeneous mixture are like the orange juice that is composed of water, sugar, coloring, and orange. The soda is composed of flavorings, water, and elements that make it taste good, color, and addictive. The paint that is made with chemicals to give it the pigment that is used and that can last. It is manufactured in such a way that it is not possible to distinguish any element. Another example is the toothpaste. In order not to dry the paste, is added a mixture of glycerin used in the antifreeze of cars, a seaweed, and paraffin oil, the fuel of the camping lamps. Another thing that you can use in a mixture is the element. Maybe be used to make one of the blends. An element is a substance consisting of atoms which all have the same number of protons. Elements are chemically the simplest substance and hence cannot be broken down using chemical methods. Elements can only be changed into other elements using nuclear methods. Although an element atoms must all have the same number of protons, they can have different numbers of neutrons and hence different masses. When atoms of the same elements have different numbers of neutrons, they are called isotopes. And thank you for watching this video.